Greetings everyone, my name is Prince Linovi and I'm here to document my trades here on YouTube and give some insights on prop firm trading because I've been trading for a long time now, that's 3 years. I just started trading prop firms, that's 6 months ago because early February I got my first prop firm account and I already passed the challenge phase and currently, I'm trading the verification phase, and what's so amazing about it is that that's my first profile account that I've ever gotten since I started trading. Started trading early 2023 June, and now let me say June is 2026 June made me 3 years of trading, and still yet I'm going to school. I'm in the university while trading, hoping to get 100k funded account, of which I know I'm going to get it because my strategy is good. I have a very good risk management plan, and I know, yeah, by God's grace, I'm a Christian though. By God's grace, I'm going to get that funded on that 100k funded account. That's just who I am, trading for 3 years, hoping to be profitable in trading and get my first 100k funded account, and I know I am going to get it. So here live I'm going to be sharing all my trading insights, how I analyze the charts. I'm a swing trader, how I analyze the charts and do my stuff. So if you would like to be a part of this journey and see how I get the 100k funded from the 10k funded that I am having already. Oh, sorry, I'm not yet funded with the 10k. I'm still trying to pass the verification phase. After passing that verification phase, I'll go now to I'll need to take some fewer steps, then they'll fund me the account. From the profit I'm going to make from the 10k account, I can then use that to get another 100k for another account. You can stick with me to the end to know which prop firm I use. In fact, let me just tell you right now. I use FTMO funded FTMO. That's FTMO prop firm. Currently, I've already passed the challenge phase. It took me close to about February, March, April, May, early June. That's 4 months to pass just the challenge phase of making 10% on the 10k account. That's 11. That's just making 10% on the 10k. That's $1,000 on that. That is bringing from 10k to 11k, which took me a very long time because I moved from that 10k. I was in a drawdown. I went down to 9,500, and you know they have a maximum drawdown of 10%, meaning if that account goes down to 10%, goes down to 9,000, I'm done with the account. I've breached everything, but luckily, not even luckily, by God's grace and with the strategy He has blessed me with, I was able to take back that account from 9.5 back to 11k, which was not easy. And I got some motivations from Dr. Paul. Most traders know him, Dr. Paul. You know his rules. From there, I started trading. I know my strategy works. And if you would like to learn how I trade, you can stick around. Do well to subscribe so that anytime I upload videos, you will see how you'll be alert. Yeah. So from now on, I'll just in another clip, I will show you guys how I did a quick review of the prop firm so you guys can catch up and we all move together. A quick review on how I took on my trades, and the trades I already took this June. Today is Sunday, and the trades I took this June. Yeah, the trades I took this June, I lost them. I lost the trade. It was not a good one. I took that trade on GBP USD. Wasn't good. Hit my stop loss, but went straight to my take profit after hitting my stop loss. I'm going to share the trade here so that you guys will see it. And yeah, that's more of it. And when the journey continues, we all gonna learn. And if you can feel right, feel free to correct me, but please be polite. Feel free to correct me in case you notice any mistakes or you have any questions to ask. You can ask them down in the comment section. Thanks for cooperating. Okay, everyone, here is my FTMO account. As you can see from here, I already passed the FTMO challenge. You can see I already had, here you can see, had a maximum drawdown of 9,553.75, and all this was in a period of 4 months. And then later on, I took that trade that set me far up to the profit target. You can see my number of trades. Had some bad days, good days, bad days, see, bad, very bad, bad, bad. Some few good ones, and this brought me up. That's why I like my strategy. Good. Now let me just show you some few statistics. You can see I have a win rate of 33.3%, average risk to reward 5.14. You can see just from this risk to reward, you know what it means if you understand what everything here just, if you understand what I'm trying to say here. I don't know how to explain it, but just hope you understand. You can see the months when I started: February 2026, March, April, May, June, no, June, and then I passed the account. See, there's no data here under July. After I passed the challenge, I'm going to the verification. They send me an email with my account logins, everything for the verification phase. Now on the verification, I'm down, but that won't be for long. Hopefully, I pass this verification and get funded on this 10K account. Don't want to take too much time. Here are the trades that I lost. This one hit break even. That's why it's small. Still looking on today's Sunday. Still looking on to take some trades this upcoming week if my setups criteria are met, because I don't just jump in and out of trades. I wait for my entry confirmations, then I take the trades. So let's see how this account goes. Hopefully I pass this verification and get funded. That will be a great milestone achieved. So let's see how things go. Now I'm going to take you guys to my charts to show you people how I do my analysis and what I'm going to be expecting for this upcoming week. Welcome everyone to my trading journal. This is where I document all my trades. As you can see, trading journal 2026 started from the month of April, May, June, pair Euro USD, XUSD, BTC USD, and you have the other ones, image, NL, and so on. So based on the trading profile account based on my profile account, I have the verification phase of 10K FTMO challenge. Oh, I made a mistake here. It was supposed to be verification phase of 10K FTMO because I already passed the challenge phase, so I'll correct that later. But let's just focus on the trades I took on that verification phase. So as we can see, if you notice on the video, I said GBP USD, but it was Euro USD. So these are some of the importance of your trading journal because you might make mistakes sometimes while doing your research, but you later on notice that the pair you mentioned earlier was not the one you were thinking of. So it was Euro USD. Took both trades at the same time, even though it differs with some seconds. Took this one at 3, 2 p.m., 10. Well, not big difference. What I'm interested in is my confidence remained the same. The only reason I lost the trade was because I did not wait for price to enter my daily zone perfectly like the one above. The one above, we are going to see it from here, which is from the image, the screenshot I took. So let's open it and see what. So this is a trade on Euro USD that I took. This is the zone I'm talking of, the one I said above. This is a zone. So from here, I thought price had already touched my daily zone and ready to start dropping, but before I realized it, it was too late for me to know that the touch was supposed to go into the zone and form some minor moves before I look for my confirmation. But at least I learned my lesson. I know that next time before I engage into any trade, I'm going to wait for price to get into my zone perfectly well and visible before I look for my confirmation to get into any trade. So that's it for that one. I don't want to close everything here at once. Let me see. Um, no, 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 no. Just launch my charts. Not now. Oh la la. Taking me somewhere else. Okay, so that's it for that trade. And here's my trading journal. In case you guys want to learn how to design a journal like this one, with time I'm going to upload it how I made this trading journal look like this. Now I have a monthly trade summary. Here you can see everything about my entry and so on, of which I'm showing you guys my weekly view for the pairs I trade. I don't trade many pairs. This I don't trade this. I just watch over it. I don't really pay attention to this Asta. We have the dollar index. I use this dollar index to determine the strength of other pairs. So we are going to start from the gold spot US dollar. Starting from the daily. I got this move from here, from here all the way down here. That's what made me pass my challenge on FTMO. FTMO is a good profile, guys. You can go try it out. So here is my charts. All these levels you see, these are my major zones, and I know whenever price reaches there, price will surely react. As you can see, let me just do a short review. Let me just do a short review and show you guys what happened. Price have been forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And one of my rules is that price move from one zone to another, from one zone to another. And it's not obligatory because you don't know what the market will do next. So you just need to move according to what the market is telling you. I don't like to keep my chart messy. Once I'm done with something that's not relevant again, I just take it out. So here I'm expecting price to come down to the zone, but before that, needs to do a pullback. If price just continues going up, then I have no issue with that because my entry confirmation is top notch. So I'm going to be expecting gold to drop from here, back to the zone, or from here. But about this, I'm not really sure about it. This is where my interest is. Depends where I get my entry confirmation from, either here or here. Along the week or within the week, I'm going to update you guys based on what the market gives me. Now on BTC USD, I'm just doing a quick recap on BTC USD. Remember, I'm a swing trader. As you can see from my favorite time frames, there's no 30 minute. I have just a 1 hour, 4 hour daily, weekly, and monthly. That's all. And I do top down analysis. Top down meaning I move from higher time frames to lower time frames. So here on BTC USD, it has been a long while I've not taken any trade on this pair because the moves are so impulsive and they don't even giving me time to see my entry confirmation. Like all this move, I've not participated in any. I'm sure price is dropping down to what's 9,786. But before that, as usual, I always like to see my confirmation before getting into any trade. For now, I'm expecting BTC USD to show me something like this before dropping. So I'll be waiting for confirmation here in this zone, the 1 hour time frame. That's where I take my entries on the 1 hour time frame. That's it. I don't want this video to be too long. And for silver almost looks like gold. So same thing. I'll be waiting for price to drop down to this zone here. The price should give me something like this. I'm very confident about this one. Yeah. And the way my strategy is, just one of these moves can make me pass my verification phase. Just one. That's why I'm being patient. Patient is key. Patient is key. If you listen to Dr. Paul, you know what I'm talking about. So this is euro dollar. As you can see, everything is clean and nice. Yeah, I don't have to even explain anything here. Straight, I'm waiting for price. I'm expecting price to hit this level. As usual, my entry on the 1 hour time frame. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this price to drop. But before any entry, I must wait for confirmation. Before any entry, I must wait for confirmation. I don't just enter once price touches the zone. No. I wait for my confirmation on the 1 hour time frame before going in. And we have the GBP USD. Guys can see, right? This is what I'm expecting for GBP USD. This pair is stubborn, very stubborn. GBP USD. I'm expecting GBP USD to drop to this level, but before that, it should get into this zone and give me my confirmation before I sell. So if you've noticed, most of my trades will be, most of my insights are sell, no buy. Buy for the dollar index. I just use the dollar index to determine the strength of the USD related pairs, because once the dollar index is trending up, all the other pairs are trending. So I'm going to stop here for now and see you guys in the other videos. Please do wait to subscribe in order to join my journey a 100K funded account. Thank you. Peace out.